Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Exit from the loop. Today we are going to see how we exit from the loop. For exit from the loop, we use two statements according to our need. Break and continue statement. If we want to break the continuity of our statement of our loop, we use break statement. If we want to skip the loop body for some iterations, we use continue statement. The difference between both are only uh, the difference is that break breaks the continuity completely, and continue will break the continuity of the loop for certain time. Okay, we will see with the with an example of code. Okay, here you can see how we write break and continue statement in our code. Here if var is a variable, if var equals to continue, and if var equals to break, if var equals 10, break. Guys, you should note one thing is that these are braces. We use braces when we start a function, we start a loop, or if or else statement. But in these three if blocks, we use braces differently, and in last block we don't use any braces. Why is so? Guys, this is only matter of our style. You can choose your own coding style, but you have to consider some coding conventions so that everyone can understand your code. In first if block, I have used braces just below the if, and in second I have used braces in front of if statement. In last I don't use any braces. All these three statements are correct. In last if block, we don't use any braces. You can we don't use any braces if we have to write only one statement after loop or if else block. It's true, but here when if I have to use one more statement where plus plus, then this is not correct statement. Here we will get completion error. In this case we have to use braces. We can use braces in as I have used in first if block or in second if block in this type. This is matter of your own style. You should develop your own style of writing code. Okay. Now we are going to see the break and continue example with this loop. Okay. I'm going to print the numbers from 0, 1 to 10, and in this statement I incremented I by 1, so that we print I we print the value I to 10. Now let's run the code and see what is output we are getting. You can see the output. We are printing numbers from 1 to 10. Okay. Okay. If we want to break exit from the loop, we use break statement at certain point of time. If I becomes 5 or I becomes 6, we break from the loop. Let's see what is output now. You can see here I have printed 1 to 6, and when I become 6, it breaks from the loop. Let me show you with only I. It will clarify you more. Okay, you can see we printed only 0 to 5. When the value of I becomes 6, it will come out from the loop. And the difference between break and continue is that when we use continue, you can see the output. Let's see. In the previous video, in the previous output, it was 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can see 6 doesn't print here. Why so? Because we skip when I becomes 6, we skip from the loop, and again we go into the loop when I becomes 7. So, and we printed 7 after 5 and 8, 9. So we printed total 9 numbers. Okay, so uh, you can see the difference between both break and continue. Now I am going to modify the code. If I is less than 2, less than 3, we will continue. If I is greater than 7, we break. What we gonna do? When I is less than 3 means I is less than 3, we will continue. Means when I is less than 3, we will skip from the loop and increment the value to 3, so that we can continue the loop. Okay, it will not print 0, 1, 2. Okay, and in this statement, if we if I becomes 7, I becomes greater than 7, we will come out from the loop. Let's run the code. and see what is happening here. Sorry, let's save the code first. Now you can see in the output we have used 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When I becomes greater than 7, we come out from the loop, and when we have the value of I less than 3, it will not do anything, it will skip from the loop. Guys, this is simple example how we use break and continue in our code. I hope you understand the concept of break and continue. If you understand the concept, please like the video, share my video with your friends. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. And thanks for watching.